Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a clean workbook and creating 3 sheets labeled Data, Calculations, and Output. Enter raw job data consistently, dates in YIMMDD, numbers as values, and use header rows. Once done, lock the header row and apply table formatting so filters and structured references work. You save a copy with a job-specific file name and enable auto-recover. This prevents losing work. Make sure to turn on grid lines or change view so you can visually verify cell alignment before building formulas. You now transform raw inputs into actionable outputs. Convert data into an Excel table so formulas autofill. Use XLOOKUP or index/match to pull job-specific details. This prevents fragile cell references. Create SUMIFs and COUNTIFs for aggregates and add conditional formatting to highlight exceptions. Once stable, record a macro for repetitive cleanup and attach it to a button for speed. You should also define named ranges for core inputs, so collaborators can understand and update values without breaking formulas. You finish by validating results. Cross-check sums, sample lookups, and scan for #ref or hash value errors. Protect sheets and lock formula areas so recipients don't overwrite logic. Then export the output sheet to PDF or CSV as required. Share with version notes and a short README on assumptions. If something goes wrong, use Evaluate Formula to step through calculations and wrap risky formulas with IFRR or ISNumber checks. This isolates the issue and preserves user-facing outputs while you fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.